म्हापशा तारीर ज्या प्रकल्पाचे काम चालू आसा ते 2016 सुरू केल्ले, मात त्या कामाक कळाव जाला। शुक्रारा ह्या कामाची आमदार ग्लेन टिकलोन पळोवणी केली। RDX खातीर म्हापशेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
आम्ही हे इनॉग्रेशन केल्ले 2016 मार्च आणि म्हणले विदीन मे 2017 कंप्लीट जावंक जाय आसलें, पूण देर इज अ डिले ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 10 months and the delay factor जावन आसा is there's a genuine problem in the sense like आमचे ते कन्वेइंग पाइपलाइन वेता ती मोयरा आणि बसवरा ते there was a delay of about 6 months there and delay of 10 months was for electric power cable आणि alignment of electric poles आमचे माशी लँड बी आसा हांगा आनी पावसा खातीर त्या खातीर 10 months टोटल धरून 10 months डिले जाल्ले आसा। पूण आयज आमचो बाब सदन आसा, आमचो ई आसा आनी सांगलें आसा उतर दिलें आसा बाय मार्च 2018 ते फ्लायओवर अंडर पॅसेज वील बी कंप्लीटेड. But the overall estimate is almost 29.42 crores, 29 crores 42 lakhs is the overall estimate. And this is one of the important projects which was much required. And I thank the government and our especially Honorable Chief Minister and our PW Minister for taking up this work, and of course our Union Minister for taking up this work and giving us a beautiful, because the traffic is very heavy on this. Almost I think per day we have almost about 50,000-60,000 vehicles moving on this highway. It's a highway NH17 and this is also going to be 6 lane. So this is one thing which and I appreciate the people's patience, and they should also understand sometimes delay factor is always there, but come bore जावंक जाय जाल्यार delay जातात न्हू. We would like the work to be in time, but delay factor due to the reason that I mentioned. In fact, this was long pending issue in this beautiful village of Basora. आमकां खूब यूथ आसा, सिनियर सिटीजन आसा, सगळे आसा आनी तांकां ग्रावंडाची चड गरज आसली. And of course, after I've been coming as an MLA and with all the support of my branch members, we studied the work somewhere in 2016, November 23rd to be very precise. And when time bound, this work has been completed. I think in the Bakije, of course, the full estimate is almost 2 crores 60 lakhs. A lot of tournaments are taking place here.
फकत एक ग्रावंड आसा, हांगा बाकीच्यो सुविधा ना, कित्याक जाग्याची कमतरता आशिल्ल्या कारणान जशें MLAनी सांगलें तशें ग्रावंडच एक ल्हान आसा, नॅचरल ग्रावंड आसा. आनी आमचो हावेस आसा की हांगासरली जी इश्कोलाची भुरगीं आसा ती फुडें वचून ह्या ग्रावंडाचेर तयार जातली. ग्रावंड नासतना जर हांगा प्लेयर तयार जाले जाल्यार इतलें सोबीत सुंदर ग्रावंड दिल्या उपरांत प्लेयर कित्याक तयार जावचे ना असो प्रश्न येता, आनी ते जरूर जातलें. खुद MLA जे आसा ते बेस्ट बरे फुटबॉल प्लेयर आसात, हॉकी प्लेयर आसात, स्पोर्ट्समन जावन आसात, जुडो ते स्वता खेळटात. ते पासत ते हांगासरल्या मतदारसंघातल्या तरणाट्यांक प्रेरीत करतले, तांकां मोटिवेट करतले असो आमकां विश्वास आसा.